In this video, I am going to show you how you can make liquid ink text transition in Canva. So let's get started. First, go to Canva website and then on the top right corner, create a design and then select video. Now on the left panel, go to elements and then here search for abstract liquid ink transition. Now go to videos. Now select the first one. Now adjust this. Now go to text and add a heading. Select any font. Make it uppercase. Make the size more bigger. Change the color. Now we need to slide the video. So let's play the video. And then pause. When it's totally white, then select the position and then click on F button. Then it will be slide. Now go to the second video. Now again play. Pause. Now again click on F button. And then select the second page. Now go to the text. And change the text. Now go to the third page. And play the video. And pause. Now click on F button. And then select the text. Now change the text. Now go to the third video. Select the text and change the text. Now let's play the video. So this is how you can make liquid ink text transition in Canva. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.